F10 bar. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how much I made on clickbank today, and the method I used to make this money. I'm going to be showing you everything step by step in this video, and this is a free traffic that I use in making this money on clickbank right now. Everything is going to be laid out for you, so sit back, relax, and just enjoy this video, because I'm going to be showing you the product I promote on clickbank that make me this money today, and I'm going to be showing you the free traffic that I use to make this money also on clickbank today. Today is 9/9/2024. It's September 9 2024, and you're going to be seeing it inside the clickbank account right now when I finally show you the clickbank products, how I make the money. So I'm going to be showing you everything right now, free traffic, free method, everything free and all that. But before I jump into this video right now, if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button right now. Make sure you get this video to 10,000 likes by giving it a like right now, and leave your comment down below to ask me any question whatsoever in the comment section below right now. So guys, let's jump right into this clickbank video right now. This is a step-by-step complete tutorial, and is a very simple one right here. So here we are on clickbank right now. If you're familiar with clickbank, you can just come right here, just type in clickbank.com and just sign up. It's as simple. You can see my account right here. It's just very simple. Just sign up on clickbank. Once you sign up, you're gonna be I've done a video on how to sign up on clickbank right on this channel, so just find that video, watch that video, and it's going to show you how to sign up on clickbank. So once you sign up, this is clickbank marketplace. You can see, come to the marketplace and click on the top offer right now. You can see this top offer that people are making money on a daily basis right now. 300 plus people is making money based on this one product that you're seeing here right now. You're going to see the graffiti score right here. So these give you the guarantee that these are the type of videos, these are the type of products that you can promote, because these products are already guaranteed that people are making sales with them and all that. So basically that's a side right there. It depends on the niche that you are also, that's going to determine how you can start making money using this video right now. So let me show you my account right now to show you how much I just made today, which is 9/9/2024 right here. So let's jump into my account right now. So here's my account right here. You can see that's my name right here. You can see this is combined. This is 20, 15, 10, 5, and you can see this date right here. This is from September 3rd to September 09, last 7 days. So today was just the day that the sale has just been made. So we're just gonna see that right here. So you can see, definitely you can see, if you can see right here, you can see that the date, let me show you here. You can see this is the date that the sale came in. You can see 9/09/2024 right there. That's the date right there. You can see that's when these sales came in. That's when this one sale just came in right now. So let me show you that right now. So let me show you, let's scroll down more. Let me show you more detail before I tell you how to I've told you to get started on clickbank right now, how to promote the free traffic that I use to make these sales. I'm going to show you right now. So you can see there's the money right here, guys. There's the money right here. You can see 18 right here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, you can see just 18.25 right here. It's just one product that has just been made sold today. So you can see net is this money you're seeing here right now. So I'm still going to be showing you inside to show you the full details right now. Let's go. Let's scroll down also. So I'm just going to click on this username right here. You can see this is my account. Let me refresh. For some of you who might be saying you don't know if this is true. This is a completely free traffic. As a matter of fact, is you doing what you enjoy doing already, and you're just promoting clickbank product right there, and you're making. Okay guys, so you can see I just refresh this account right now. It's still loading actually. So once it load now, the payment is going to appear back on here. So we're going to wait. So you can see the payment has appeared right here back. right here. So we click on this username, then it's going to bring. Okay, so you can see here we are, guys. I'm so transparent right now. I'm showing you the product that I promote that make this sales right now. So I'm not even kidding right now. This is the product. So let's see it from the beginning to the end. You can see transaction details right here, viewing transaction for receipt. You can see this is the receipt name, this is the purchase date. You can see, okay, I think the purchase date has been since third, when I didn't see it. I'm just seeing it right now. Status active, item 22, initial payment 1, net print 09, rebill payment 29, item currency USD, process pin 2, future print 990, vendor social. I'm going to show you this product right now. This is the name of the product that make this sales. So I'm going to show you the product right now. This is my affiliate URL, last name, first name, last name, email right there. Displaying of 2 items, total 1825. So you can see this is the day. Okay, one has come since on the 3rd. I didn't see that. You can see that one was actually free. That okay, and I guess it's the same person. This person has come in for free since on the 3rd, but later now went in with payment, later make the payment. So that's on the 9th, after 6 days. That's like 7 days free trial. I think the product have the 7 days free trial. So after the 7 days, the person made the payment right here. So you can see, I think that's how these sales came in right now. So you can see all the details right here. Original, you can see is the same person, the same product. You can see all right there. You can see this is the total amount that just been paid today right there. View the list country. You can view the list country right now. So let me show you the product that make this sales right now. You can see, look at this name, social rep right here. There's the product that make that sales right here. Let me show you the product right now. Okay, let's go to ClickBank Marketplace. I'm gonna scroll down all the way. This product is like let me scroll down all the way down to the. This product used to be on the first page before, but I don't know right now if it has gone to the second page. But we're gonna find it. Is a social. Okay, so this is the product right here, guys. This is the product that make the sale. So let's check the product right now. Let's see the product. Let's open it. Let's see let's see the product. You can see live chat job, $1 try. So the $1 try is what that person tried at first. Unlimited review, $1 try is what the person tried at first, and after 7 days it's going to review the person. So let's see inside the product right now. Let's see what, before I now show you how I got the free traffic that. Okay guys, so this inside these products that helped me to make these sales right now. This live chat product, there's the product that helped me make the sales. You can see right here, that's the product. You can see, you're seeing the. Okay, so this is the product you're seeing right here, and just basically people will answer this question right here. So once they answer it, they get inside. So you can see, look at social sales rep. Look at this name right here. Let me show you that. That's what we have right here too. Look at social sales rep. That's social health rep. That's what we have right there, and that's what we have right there. So just to let you know that this is the product, even though they write it in full right here, social sales rep, but right here is very short because this is limited. So this is the product that make this sales that you're seeing right here, guys, and that's how simple it is. I have a video on this channel already that will show you step by step how to get started with ClickBank right here. So let me show you the free method that I use to make these sales that you're seeing here right now. What is the free method? Okay, so guys, the free method that I use to make these sales you're seeing, this one sale you're seeing here right now, is basically as simple as YouTube is what I use, and this is my YouTube account, this YouTube channel that you're watching this video from right now. So what I did is, when I upload a video like this video I upload today right now, I just basically pull the link. Let me show you the video right now. Okay, so guys, you can see this is my video, this is my channel right here. You can see tubeless how to, and how do I make this sales? It's very simple. I just basically, once I'm done with my video, I put the link, and see this is the link to that product right here. I put the link in my video like this, and when people finish watching my video, I instruct them to go click the link below, and when they click the link below right now, they make a sales, and they click this, they watch the video, and they buy the product. Is as simple as that, and that's how I make that one sales that you're seeing here right now. Imagine my channel is a very small channel right now, guys. Imagine if this channel is getting thousands of views on a daily basis. Imagine how much I'm going to be getting. You can see my channel is very small. This one is getting 1 view, this one 5 views, 15 views, 2 views. This one is today though, and this channel still make these sales that you're seeing right now. Let's imagine that this channel is basically a channel that is getting thousands of views every day. Imagine how much sales I'm gonna be making on this video or on this channel, just promoting clickbank products using this free YouTube method right here. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments. This website I'm about to show you in this video is going to be paying you, I'll see you guys from about $200
So peace.
to over